Merry Christmas to you all. What's up, Sneakerholics? Your boy Slim Beezy bringing out a sneaker video. This time I want to wish a Merry Christmas to all the people who watch my channel, all my subscribers and their friends and family, and I hope y'all have a very, very Merry Christmas. I got two things I want to bring up, I want to show on the channel today. One is from a fellow YouTuber called Menmykickz, and I will be putting his information up on the channel as well. But he sent me this in the mail, and we're gonna read the letter off together. It says, "May the merry in your Christmas last all year long. Thank you for being one of the realest YouTubers out there. Your hard work and dedication is appreciated. Till the next time we see each other at a sneaker event, I hope your YouTube channel flourishes. Enjoy the present, bro." And this is the card he made. Got my name on the back, Sneakerholicbeez, on the inside. Boom, that was dope. So here we go. We're gonna unwrap this together. He gave me a Carolina Panthers Scully, cause I live in Carolina. Boom. That's dope. Thank you, Menmykickz. The second thing I want to show you is a sneaker that was very limited. And I'm not gonna go all the way into detail. I'm gonna show it real quick. Just as Christmas, I'm gonna be out real quick, but I just want to show y'all what y'all got to look forward to. Bam! The Nike Fear of God. Dopeness in its potence. Super fire. In hand, this is a dope sneaker. I cannot lie, this is a dope sneaker, man. I don't know, like right now, the resale ain't really high. It's high, but it's not that high. Something you probably like sell a couple of sneakers for to grab it. Oh man, if you get a chance to get your hands on one of these, man, you might as well cop one of these. Fear of God. Dopeness and its potence. Man, thanks for watching my video. As always, I want to give a big shout out to Menmykickz for the Panthers gear, and I hope everybody have a Merry Christmas. Remember to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, or that thumbs down if you didn't. Sneakerholicbeez, and I'm out.